First, you have to come over Start icon, simply search here Microsoft Store and then click Open. After Microsoft Store opened, you need to search here FX Sound. Click on this app and then you're going to find out this app called FX Sound. So what you have to do, you have to simply click Install. After complete downloading and installation process, you can see there is an option pops up called Open. Click on that. If it doesn't open, then what you have to do, simply come over into Show Hidden Icons option and here you will going to find out FX Sound logo. If you click on that, right now it's showing the FX Sound interface over here. From here, you can simply select volume boost, movies, TVs, transcription, music, lots of options to choose. And then here you need to select your speaker and you can simply hear the sound will boost better than before. Thank you so much. I hope to see you for another videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel.